Learners often say between, even when something is surrounded by more than two things. But between is only for two. When you are surrounded by many, the correct preposition is among. Today, let's understand how to use it naturally. Welcome back to our Prepositions of Place series. In the last episode, we learned between, which describes being in the middle of two things. Now, we'll look at among, which shows being surrounded by many. Among means being in the middle of a group of more than two things. It shows that something is surrounded by many items, people, or objects. We use among when something is within a group. For example, the cat is among the cushions, the ball is among the toys, or the plant is among the pots. When talking about people, among shows someone in the middle of many others. For example, the child is playing among her friends, which means she is surrounded by them. You might say, he walked among the mountains when someone is surrounded by several mountains, not just two. This creates a picture of being in the middle of many natural elements. In the city, you can say, the fountain is among the buildings. This means buildings are all around it, not just on two sides. Between is for two things. Among is for many. If there are two trees, the bench is between them. If there are many trees, the bench is among them. We use among when something is part of a group. For example, she stood among the audience, meaning people were all around her. Among is also used in abstract contexts. For example, she was popular among her classmates, or the idea was accepted among experts. It means within a group, even if it's not a physical location. A common mistake is using between when referring to more than two items. For groups, crowds, collections, or sets, the correct preposition is among. To remember easily, among means in the middle of many. If something surrounds you on all sides, you are among them. Let's recap. Use among when something is surrounded by many things. It's perfect for groups, sets, and collections, and it's never used for only two. That's how we use the preposition among. It shows something surrounded by many things. In our next episode, we'll learn opposite, a preposition that describes two things facing each other from different sides. Keep watching and continue mastering every preposition of place.